You need to make it more natural. Kind of stiff.
Let me see. But
Right.
money.
Take you on this journey.
Cut.
So that excited enough? Hey guys! So this is Gavin and Shauna.
Baby, I would say I'm Shauna. Yes, fine. Yeah, it's funny. You want to stop
Hey
it?
guys, I'm
What's
Gavin.
going
I'm Shauna.
Okay, and this is our channel.
Welcome to our channel.
Yeah, my mommy can't.
Anyway, shut up, money.
So I am Gavin,
I'm Shauna.
and this is our channel.
Well, journey with
The
the
Jacksons.
Jacksons. Babies, welcome to our channel. Money, go on again.
We have decided to journey to a lot of these places, and we'd like to take you on this journey.
Cut.
You don't like it? What we gonna start by saying?
Baby, like,
That's all.
subscribe, share.
Like, share, subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah. On our journey. Alright, ready? After 2, 2.
Hey guys. Jesus.
Here's another one of our journeys. So we are at.
Pages in the garden.
You need to make it more natural. But you can start again. Oh look, kind of stiff.
Let me see. No one will touch it, man.
Oh, hold on, do that again, baby. I like again. Oh, hey guys.
Go for that side.
Relax now, Jenna. Relax now.
Yeah,
No, relax. Relax. Yeah. Relax now.
When we rush it, eh?
Hey, Sonny.
Alright,
So
baby.
you not catch picture with him and the bird. You catch the bird alone.
He's in it.
Easy.
Yeah.
Okay. I look like I just.
I'm not touching it. I'm scared to touch him.
Yeah, am I right? So what going on, Sonny? Is that right, yes? Calm down.
Take him up, no.
Hey, Sonny.
Oh my
Been in the bird and I've been hurt. So.
Oh my
That's the same thing I just asked
Oh my
her.
gosh.
You're only catching bird.
Hey, I'm gonna take him off now.
Exactly. So you
Oh,
should
no,
do it.
don't take him off now. Come get a try. Come get a try. Alright, no artist. And today we are at Idilio Bed and Breakfast.
On Tuesday.
Interior rooms and tubing.
Okay. Billy, stop being so stiff. That's why I got to stop there. What am I doing?
What you mean?
Yeah, so we're on the seesaw. Momo Guana, you stop.
I don't know, sir.
Oh my gosh, you keep on a signal. You have to go on.
I never seen a signal.
Yeah, it's a video one. Yeah, it's really fun.
Why?
Yeah.
Look who's not ready for the water.
I am.
Oh baby, you got what I need.
But what?
I can't say that. But you say I'm just a friend. You say I'm just a friend. Cause I can be
Go Shane. Go Shane.
fantasy.
Go Shane.
But you say I'm just a friend. Yeah, you say I'm just a friend.
Give me one reason why
You wouldn't want this kind of guy. Cause I stay late,
And I know you know I'm fly. Girl, stop playing games with me. Let's get this on tonight. Cause you got nothing to lose. Let me do what I do, baby. You.
My baby, I really
What I need.
voice box not hot though.
Uh-uh.